I'm Amy.
And I'm Hannah.
This is our Xero demonstration video.
This is your dashboard. It'll be your first view when you open Xero. It gives you an overview of your business all on one screen. I'll just scroll down so you can see it all. So on the left, will be all your bank accounts. At the top, you'll have your current account and then deposit account, and any other bank accounts that you may have will be listed along here. They'll show you a general cash in and out of each of your bank accounts and a small graph of sort of how it's been tracked. If you have any items that need reconciling from your bank statement to your bank balance in Xero, you would just click on this button here to reconcile the items, and we'll go into that further later on. On the right, you've got your account watch list. So this will be your pick, your highlight main accounts that you want to keep an eye on, and then you can just see month by month how it's going and year to date how you're going, so that you can see if they've gone too much or not enough or anything like that. Below, you've got invoices owed to you and bills you need to pay. So that's just a quick glance, anything that's overdue or still awaiting payments, or if you've got anything still left in draft that might remind you that needs to go out. And then at the bottom, we've got expense claims. That'll be any expense claims that have come into you that you need to do or ones that you need to submit. At the bottom here, you can also edit your dashboard. So if the expense claims is something really important to you, you can move that up to the top here, and that will show up further up on your dashboard.
So as mentioned previously, you'll be able to see your items that need reconciling just here on the top left under your current account or whichever account you've got set up. Xero does allow you to set up automatic bank feeds with your bank account that will import bank transactions over to Xero, which makes bank reconciliations a lot easier. You'll be able to click into this reconcile items just here, and it will take you to a list of all your transactions that need reconciling. Once transactions are imported, Xero does try and automatically match any statement lines with account transactions that have been entered into Xero. If it can't do a match, it will then look for any bank rules that have been set up. Now, bank rules you can set up to be tailored completely to you, and they are unique to your business. An example of a bank rule might be if the description on the bank statement says shall garage, and the transaction should go to motor expenses. You can set up as many of these as you want to make life much easier when doing your bank reconciliations. If there is no match nor a bank rule set up, Xero will then try and make a suggestion based on previous entries. Once all of them have been correctly matched and they'll go green along here, you'll be able to scroll down to the bottom and then next to do all of them, and this will then reconcile your bank account.
From your dashboard, if you want to make a sale, an invoice or a quote for a client, you would go into accounts and then sales. This will take you to your invoices and quotes page. So you'll see here you've got all your invoices, and it gives you a breakdown of where they are in stages. So you've got draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and then overdue, so you can keep a track of where your invoices are and what clients are doing with them. At the bottom, you've then got quotes. This is when you send like a quote out to a client. As you can see, I've set one up, so it's been sent to a client, and you'll see this is what the client will receive. So receive a quote from you. It's all set up through Xero, and they will just at the top click accept, decline, or comment. So if they're happy with the quote, they will click accept. The quote's been accepted, and we'll go back into your Xero, refresh this page. And you will then see at the bottom it's moved from sent into accepted. Then you can go into your accepted quote in here. This will then be what they've accepted back to you. And from that, you can straight away create an invoice by clicking on this button, mark as invoice and create, and that's it. You've created an invoice from your quote.
So you'll notice at the top here we've got a reports tab. We're going to show you now just the most useful report that's within this that we think will benefit you. So if you click on the reports option and go down to profit and loss, this will give you a simple one-pager that clearly shows the performance of your business at any point in time. This will show your profit or loss currently. You can also change the dates at the top if you wanted to show it for a different date range, if you wanted to just see it for a month. You can control this yourself, update it, you can print these off and keep a copy. You can also scroll down and see if anything looks unusual or out of character. You will then be able to click into the particular code and see what's in there, as it may be that something's ended up in the wrong code that needs relocating. And once you've done this, you can then go back into it, and hopefully it's a more reflective picture of your performance.
So as previously mentioned, Xero is cloud-based, so it can be used anytime and anywhere. This means that it works on a variety of devices, from computers, tablets and mobiles across iOS and Android. So as on the screen you can see, this is the example of what you would see on like a phone device. So you can see your bank and check out what your bank balance is, your bank movements. You can also create sales invoices and see who's overpaid, underpaid. You can also then do purchase invoices, what you've got to pay, and add new purchase invoices onto it as you go. You can also, at this bottom tab here for contacts, it means that you can add and store customer details at any time. So as you're with the customer, with the client, you can add their details there and then.
Further features of Xero are that it always ensures you're on the most up-to-date version without any installation or IT maintenance. It operates a pay-as-you-go system and there are no upfront fees. It allows you as the client to have real-time collaboration with us as your advisors, as all data is live. It stores data in the cloud, and so data is always accessible when you need it. Thank you for watching our video.
If you're interested in Xero and want to find out more, then we'd love to help.